Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on a Dell computer. First, confirm your Dell meets Roblox's minimum system requirements, which are generally quite low. Then, navigate to the official Roblox website to download the installer. Once downloaded, run the file and follow the straightforward on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. This initial setup usually takes only a few minutes. After installation, you'll need to either create a brand new Roblox account or simply log in using your existing credentials. Once logged in, you'll gain access to the platform's vast library, featuring millions of user-created games. Browse through the diverse categories, select a game that catches your eye, and then click the prominent play button to launch your adventure. It's that simple to dive into the fun. To ensure a smooth gaming experience on your Dell, consider adjusting the in-game graphics settings. Lowering them slightly can significantly improve performance, especially on older models. Also, remember to close any unnecessary applications running in the background, as they consume valuable system resources. Finally, always keep your Dell's graphics drivers updated. This is crucial for optimal game rendering and stability. If you encounter any issues, a quick restart of both your Dell computer and your internet router can often resolve connectivity problems. Should game-specific glitches persist, utilize the Roblox Clients option to verify game file integrity. For more complex challenges, Roblox offers extensive online support pages with solutions to common issues. Don't hesitate to consult these resources for detailed guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.